Alright, so it's the next day right now. I think
Don't
I
have
don't
my
know.
skateboard.
Yeah, cause the monkey's. Oh, shh, be quiet, be quiet. I think he's asleep, dude. Shh. Alright, let's go. Let's go through this.
I'm gonna cry.
Let's go through the car.
Be
quiet, be quiet. Try to. Wait.
Tell me to get it. To get it?
Alright, no. I think you should get the skateboard.
Should I?
Yeah, get the skateboard. And then we'll think of a way. Be quiet, be quiet. I'm freaking scared. We got it. Alright, let's go away slowly. Make sure it doesn't see us. Run. Dude, what should we do now?
Let's shoot him.
Yeah, let's shoot him?
Yeah.
I'll get the gun.
Alright.
Dude, I think I'm gonna get him. Dude, he's in a deep nap. Oh, shit. I just saw him open his eyes.
Open the side.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright. Wait, stay here. He's eating the banana. Wait. He's eating the banana. Let's go around. I don't know. He can't see us, but he's eating the banana. Wait, we can't go slowly. No, don't shoot him yet. He's eating the banana. He doesn't. Oh shit! Shoot him! Come on, let's go! Dude, he got away again. No.
Monkey. Ooh.
Oh sh.
Freaking monkey.
Come on. What do you want?
What do you want, kid? Or monkey, I should say. Monkey person.
Oh, dude, he's running away again. Aim for him. Let me see the gun.
Go for him.
Oh, I missed.
Yeah.
I missed again.
You freaking suck at aiming.
Ah, dude, stop. What the? I think he's crazy. Let me aim.
Or mad.
There. I think. Oh, he hid there.
Them.
Are you sure? Oh, dude.
I'm not sure.
You okay?
Yep.
Alright, I think we'll catch him tomorrow because, I don't know. I think, let's go in the morning so he'll be asleep. So let's wake up a little bit earlier, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll wake up
Hopefully at
earlier.
6 he's there.
Yeah.
We're gonna wake up
Because-
like at 6:30, bro.
So we'll try to not wake him up this time, alright? So, see you guys later, alright?
Peace.
Hopefully we catch him, alright? Bye.
He's not gonna get hurt.
I know.